Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these oval plaques I got from Walmart. They're 5 by 7 1/4. I start by gluing these wooden beads that I got from Dollar Tree all around the border of one of them. Next I'm painting the outside of the beads as well as the edge of the plaque. And I'm making sure to get in between the beads so you won't see any of the unfinished wood. I then take the next plaque and paint the edge of it as well as a little bit of the border on both sides. I then paint the bottom section, the one with the beads. I'm taking these spools I got from a thrift store, they're about 1 inch, and hot gluing them to the bottom of the one with the beads on it. And I also paint those the same color. Next, I'm taking this scrapbook paper I got from Temu, and I'll be tracing out one of the plaques. And I did put it in the center of the paper because I wanted that particular design right in the center of it. So that's why I had it in the center of the paper. I then add some Mod Podge to the plaque that is by itself. Put the scrapbook paper down on it and smoothed it out with my hands and dried it with my heat tool. I then went around with my micro sander that you can find at Amazon, and I sanded off all of the excess paper. I then added a layer of Mod Podge on top of the paper. Next, I'm taking Gorilla Grip Glue and adding a dot of that to the tops of the beads, except for a couple on either end. I thought the hot glue, it would be too messy trying to get it around all of those, and then you'd be able to see the glue. So that's why I just added a couple on the end, as well as a couple extra beads in the center. And I also added some masking tape all the way around, just until that glue sets. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.